She was never alone. He was always there. I was falling once again. The shadows calling out my name. I thought I had to stand alone, to face a world I couldn't save.
But through the dark I felt a spark, a light I knew, a beating heart, a voice so small but burning strong, reminding me where I belong.
Together.
I was watching from the side, but I felt it deep inside, a power growing in my chest, a silent force I couldn't test. You were fighting all alone, but I was never really gone. Now I stand right next to you and I knew what I must do.
Two lights burning in the night, stronger when we reunite. What was broken now is whole, we ignite a single soul. We rise together, we won't fall. Two hearts, one light against it all. Through every storm, through every flame, we fight as one. We are the same.
Raise up, perish,
Side by side.
now the darkness
Cannot hide when the world begins to break.
we're the force.
It cannot take. We were never meant to lose. We were always meant to choose. Hope above the endless night. Now we are the twin She was never alone. He was always